So, Guru Padmasambhava has a bit of advice where he says that our speech should be like that of a mute. What we should do with our mind, this is most important in the context of meditation. And here the key is that you're supposed to just focus on the object of meditation and not anything else. So you set aside any other focal objects and you just focus on the object of your meditation. So you all sit quietly. There's no way for me to avoid talking, but you all can be quiet. So start with your body, find a comfortable position. Now verbally settle like a mute without speaking.
Mobile phone is so separate.
And turn off your mobile phones.
But then suba yikine, yikine tanda kapsubaba de changju sengi penyore. Ta changju sengi penyo gomala ni 당보 그 다음에 기술 당보 공격에서 예ber kare 차지 나거라. 자주 쓰는 배경 공부하니 내가 배경도 다도 배경. 다되나 당보 내가 배경 시비 단기 정도의 노력 수만 암시 고매인다스. 이게 말이래 나간 상타스.
So now with the mental attitude, we're focusing on the benefits of bodhicitta. And here, right now, because we're new to meditation, I'm breaking it down into every little step. So that there, within the benefits of bodhicitta, there's the aforementioned sutra passage, which talk about the temporary and the ultimate benefits.
다들라 내가 그 배우시디 장주 쌤생이 겁나 쌤배 하장기 가치고 가치는 진짜이 가치는 그거 쌤 부수도 매봐 쌤 하장기 밑바 가치가 쌤지 탐지를 내게 쌤 가치는 되지 잡고요레스 쟤네 나머지 쟤네.
So the first is that our mind become the temporary benefit. The first of these is that our mind becomes vast like the ocean, encompassing, including all sentient beings, letting go of any uptight, narrow attitude.
니바니 장주 쌤들 공부하이나 사울을 나오네 쌤기 나오네 개와 쌤 개외 쌤기 나오네 장 초도 개바디 차비요레스.
The second is that our mind becomes virtuous, and not just virtuous, but among all possible virtuous mental states, it becomes the most supreme.
장주 쌤 공부하이나 라라야 타다 예배 연대는 거는 것도 별로 마세 너무나 연대 탐제 토르교레스.
Not only will the qualities you presently have increase, but in the future you will attain many good qualities.
장주 쌤 공부나 쌤기 나자다 유기 나자로 소반네 청구요래. 앞으로 표현이 간대요래. 독도의 장주를 쓰는 거가 있나? 아니 상계를 요래. 얘나야 따라서 말아봐. 상계당의 간대기 올라나 장주를 쓰는 생기디 랑기 요래께나 태거친 뮤기 랑기 고 내가 먼저 상마다도 고바디다 레 고바디나 간대스에서 고바디 고 겨우는 유인이 알레와 고바디 고다나 맞으면 고바디다 레시 말아 대단시 태거친을 나와 주변 고바디 장주세미 장주세 똑스게 받아 소소 태거친을 남기 고르지 다 장주세미 심중 체를 토하는 장주세미 도발래 장주세미 저바 그럼 용들 아니 갈래 소람 더 되는 조람도 되는 통람도 되는 공람도 도구세네 상기주로 다리아다 그리 바라서 우디소아 되니까 아직 장주세미의 마음나 태고적으로 남기 고코라나 주도면도스 장주세미의 공나 태고적으로 남기 고나 레자레스 되는마 아니 소람처럼 남마 사주드네 상기 때도 스테이도 장주세미 때네 아니 뒤가서 폐 터도가 아니 상기고 또 그랬어야 돼 레샤 도서 그래.
So the most important is what we call it, we're referring to as the ultimate, final benefit of the bodhicitta practice. This is, and here the ultimate benefit of bodhicitta is that through bodhicitta, through the mind of awakening, one attains Buddhahood, one is able to become Buddha. But we're not, this isn't said in some kind of casual way, that there's an actual process here by which bodhicitta allows us to become an awakened Buddha. That having the mind of awakening, having bodhicitta, is the door of the Mahayana path. So it's what allows you to enter into the path. Just like the door to this temple is how you enter into this temple. There's no other way into this temple. And that as soon as you've entered into this door, you've entered into the temple. Likewise, as soon as you have the bodhicitta attitude, you've entered into the Mahayana path. And then through developing that, you gradually develop the paths of accumulation, preparation, the path of seeing, and the path of meditation, resulting in awakening. So that, as it is said in the Heart Sutra, the mantra, beginning with Gati Gati, that through cultivating bodhicitta, you gradually proceed along the path to awakening. Without this door, there's no awakening. When you have this bodhicitta, this door into the Mahayana path, then you've already entered into the Mahayana.
Oh yeah.
And again, meditate for a moment.
Oh yeah, teacher. 다들 네 계란소에 디케 좀 주고 말하자고 좀 좋아. 장주 쌤스야 돼. 탱제 라운드 주고래 라야 돼. 빼게 그래. 다들 고백 고디 나는 주나 고만나 리도와 데메릭 스페셜와 띵치스. 빼셔다 주거나 네 계란소 쉬우이나 지게서야 약하게 와. 딱 약간 소리 오다가 나쁜 소리 들리. 안 남도 작은 남도다. 이탈리아 남도다. 유럽 남도다. 에시아 남도 셔다를 쓰다 같이 셔다를 들어와. 아메리카 말로. 아메리카에 내가 아메리카에 남도 나는 수도 다 아메리카에 남도 나야 아메리카로 저게 남도 나는 수가 강시라 남도 되게 가져오대 남도 단계기 드라이버들이 남도기 가져오대 딱딱 아메리카에 사자 가와이는 텔라야 빅네 도스 펜네 발레도 제선 남도들이 가져오대 딱딱 아메리카에 사자라야 빅여라 도스 펜네 딱딱 텔라도 도와 제사가 남주기 카 아메리카로 촉라에 빼게 좀 말해 아메리카로 맞춰 제 룸바시에다 전화 파리를 불어 대당시 셈생이 되게 나와 장중 셈게 장중 셈지 깨로잖아 장중 셈들이 가서 셈 되기 나 코로나 병이 생 상담고 장중 셈기 나 코로나 기기 세대 상담고 코로나 빵빵에 상담도 디마세 자국 세비게 요리 나 치르베기 힌두다 이슈기 타베아도 통기 사마야요 말아 단 디마세 나 상무들이 나빠치가 이나야 니트다 랑길기 다저도 고마 토고 사바테야요 말아 다셈들이 가르상고라나 태권 전교기 남의 송샤베 디부터도 상계세에서 도스 디게 도바치니 삼고 딜라기 남주도 세다 아메리카에 사자가 갖춰 만나시 셈되게 따라 라라메 장주 상계가 갖춰고요. 디 초반들이 가지기 셈께를 주고야 고반에 장주셈을 줘봐 주요도 셈되게 가지기 수수기 집밥 추적 세방야 제세 정말 상계 상고요. 타서 남주도 아메리카가 갖춰 디슈로 남주로 남주 딱 가르쳐야 자원이 아메리카로 줘야 뺏기도 어디나 싶대. 뭐네이다. 거기 오지도 빼대. 디슈거래죠. 네 앞에 항상 셰 개와 부두고 맞죠. 상기의 고맙다고 줄을 누구를 말해야지 더 받아. 히 나빠 최케 만는 게 개와 친구요래. 최케 나라 힌두 이슈가 요래. 남배 나라 택매 요래. 택신 요라. 택매 대속의 개와 상계상 좋든 나도야. 나도 장중 셈기 세운도 좋도야 같이 해야 나도 모든 남들을 빼자를 따따 봐라. 레고래. 저소와 디지 똑똑지
So this point that bodhicitta is the entrance door of the Mahayana, speaking from my own experience, is of critical importance. So we can talk about it as I just did, the example of the door of the temple. We can also talk about it, thinking about it as the direction that the plane is pointing. So, we go to India, we come back, and we're going from India to the United States. At an international airport, there's planes flying in every direction. So what's critical is your plane is pointed in the right direction. If it's headed in a different direction, it's not going to arrive in America. So it's crucial that you're pointing in the right direction. Similarly, when we have bodhicitta, we're pointed in the right direction. We're pointed towards complete awakening. We're not pointed towards some other spiritual destination, whether it's that of Hinduism or Christianity, nor are we pointed towards some other Buddhist goal, like the becoming an arhat, for instance. But where we're pointed is towards the complete total result, the destination of the Mahayana path. And so that once we have this example in mind, we can see how if you have bodhicitta, then all your other actions become causes for awakening. So that with bodhicitta, then your practice of the six perfections, your practice of generosity, ethics, and so forth, all become causes of awakening. Otherwise, it's a real question. I mean, do the actions that we accumulate, are they actually causes of awakening? Or are they causes for something else? They're not. Our actions on the surface aren't that different from the religious actions of any other person. So what makes them a cause for awakening? Think again about that example of the airplane. It's about where you're pointed.
This one, oh yeah, that detail of somebody all down. She would you get that children. I didn't dish with them. I dish with the Chanju same Mishiko Mary. I tell her, she was a Shisha Chena, Sajena, Tashin Yamokoba. 라진지 게 사바 셰진지 게 사바 다신 제와 사바 다 동네본데 셈게 봐 사진지 요레스.
So think closely about that. It can be of real benefit. But now we're ready for the actual meditation on meditation, which, following the tradition of Shantideva, proceeds in 5 points. There's equalizing self and others. There's thinking about the benefits of exchanging self and other, the faults of not doing so. There's exchanging self and other, and then there's the practice of giving and taking.
당신 냐바세 디골라 아니 특강률라와 제대로 다시 semje 제대로 semje 대신 나서는 숨으래 다 디콩수 제네 시월라 준주 나라 텔라 속에 남바이 외배의 삼제 남도 예월 시와가 장수 semje 공부하자 간데스 공부하서도 다가신도 냐바네 담보니 배되고 대다 동안 냐베나 담제 다시 숨어자 라홀와서 여러 남아요 용수 순지를 지was다 전에 시소스 말해 제가 준주기 특화를 때나 당신이야말라야 돼 다나 신이 대화되가 냐와 도매되가 냐와 대리만 없어와 좋아 다나 신도 냐바네 당신이 배되고 숨어와 제가 이나야 공원에 대결이 말해 다다 신이 대화되고 도매되가 냐바래 라야디 균제래 다다 신이 대화되고 도매되가 냐바 인사 벽에 돈나라 당신이 대화되고 도매되바디 집어지장 냐바 인사 다게 뭐네 신심제와 거실라 차바게 거실라 샤단게 디데미 제바 랑게 뭐네 심진 신 탐주다 니리 차가 매베 돈에 팬바 대화 두야기 samroy nidaya chibatangi jolalale lale chibachi se samostoa o tela tashinya ma so chela di du ni yakjar sigida lama chele se sumra da tashinya be tön kare sude ta shen sinje tamje dewa dewa dunne müdeba ani nyama yibes 다기 뭐네 신심제 탐제라 니링 메바스 저 니링 차파 메바스 펜데 페바가 되와 펜데 루베 삼조 린토 메바 차오냐메 사바데 다신냐메 로 스테리나.
And so when we talk about the first of these, which is equalizing self and other, that when we look at the verses of the Bodhisattva, Shantideva talks about how oneself and other we are equal insofar as we equally desire happiness and we equally want to avoid suffering. And on the face of it, it sounds like from those verses, that's what equalizing self and others is. But in fact, when you get into the meditation, that itself isn't what it means to equalize self and others. That's the reason for exchanging self and others, equalizing self and others. That's the reason why self and other are equal. So that just as I desire happiness and want to be free from suffering, so do others. Therefore, and so with that reason in place, therefore, I resolve to have not to distinguish between myself and others, not to distinguish, not have a near or far attitude, not feel overtly privileging one and distant towards the other. So equal in that sense, in terms of practice as well, of having I'm going to work equally to benefit equally both self and other. And this way, at this point, that's what constitutes equalizing self and others, comes straight from the His Holiness himself.
아니 디슈고게 돼서 대대 이바이다 다시 양바 보면 내가 뒤수대에서 모르래 이 개척을 쓰이는 공부를다 그래서 대대 이바이도 사바 양결지슈 하는 공부이다 다시 양배 되는 카드에서나 다시 나아가 신심제 탐지 니 대화도 넘는 대화 양바 인배 인상 다이 신심제라 니링 착당 매발 펜데 루베 삼절 르토 매발 차우 삼기 되소아 어디 해보냐 나도 곰 잡수를 니잡아 삼로 됐다.
So this is a really important point that if you don't really get this this fivefold outline, if you don't get this first step down, the later steps don't work. So even though this takes time to accomplish, there's a reason why we spend so much time on this. This is the critical point, is equalizing self and other. And so for that reason, I'm going to repeat myself again, that when we're saying equalizing self and other, what we mean is the reason why self and other are equal is that we equally desire happiness and we equally want to avoid suffering. And for that reason, I resolve to have an equal attitude towards myself and others, casting aside attachment towards the one and antipathy towards the other, to have this, to not feel that one is close and dear and the other is a stranger.
그래서 펜데 드베 사발라이스도 디셀다나 다기 생제시라 니링 착박 매바를 펜데 드베 삼조 펜데 드베 사발라이 페퍼 드베 사발스도 생제시라 동네지요체 동네에 제소나 니콜라 펜도치 이라고 동네에 제를 페퍼 저다 펜버 드베 사발이 닝지르 다 펜데 대화스도와 셰라의 디기비도 나 디기티라는 대화 드베 사무스도와 그가래 잡아라 그래서 펜데 드베 사바세에 장딩지기 사바 독소와 드스에 장딩지 사바 펜데 드베 사바 펜데 드베 삼조 조 사바다 반절 저르스 저라래 삼로 토네이나야 셰라야 펜바다 데버 두고 삼로 땅기 라레 토네이나야 셰라야 펜바다 데버 두기 디디기 펜바다 데버 두게 삼로도 저라라데 심지 삼마가 찌버지기다 가시 예초이라는체 가시 예초 말에서 육샤야 지금에 센데 펜데 드베 삼조 링통메바스 예초가 주태서가 통무차서가 거기 자리에 내가 펜데 두개매가 다 부샤나 링부차서 어딘데 펜데 두개 상조때 통 링통 링부도 통매가 찍찍찍찍 계속 할 내가 못해 다시 얘기해봤어야 돼.
So let's dig a little more closely into this when we're talking about equalizing self and other. The term here is that we want to bring happiness and benefit to self and others, to everyone equally. Happiness and benefit. So what does benefit mean? The benefit means to free from suffering. The desire to free another from suffering is what we call compassion. To bring happiness means to give another happiness. The desire to give someone else happiness is what we call love. So in other words, we're talking about love and compassion here. And then when we have this attitude is that we are going to apply this attitude of happiness, of bringing happiness and benefit, means that we are going to do it in practice, not just thinking about it, but we are in practice going to apply love and compassion equally, without having an attitude of being distant towards some and excessively engrossed in others. And so that if we, for instance, think so-and-so is my enemy, you cast them aside, that's what we mean by distance, as opposed to taking another person and saying, they're on my side, bringing them near. So without this sense of nearness and farness.
Clear? Okay. 베이비 땅에라 랑기 되려야 아니 라마토용 조체베 아니 깨베 참아 유사체 되네 라마토용 투가네 되려야 아니 파마 체데세 아니 진짜 체데세 자동차도로가 되래 체데세 차시로가 되래 체데세 고도가 나 파마 체데세 해야 돼 아니 장주 생기 최기 따고 저거 참여를 나도 대전만 이당 장주 생고도 조 체데세 답대 거래 뒤에서 체데세고 나 대대기 결국 탑재다 체데세로 소라다 나기 뷰래야 다음에 시제를 장주 생을 붙이 깨워쇼 뒤지는 장주 생 공기 그만 없이 빠바게 와쇼 소화쳤다 한때 거기가 봐니 당도 다시 양고 공기 나세 삼보스나 대만도 아니 삼보스나.
And so, when we're doing the Bodhicitta meditation, our primary deity is Avalokiteshvara. So visualize in front of yourself Avalokiteshvara, who is the embodiment of all refuges, all sources of refuge. And thinking, because the Lama didn't say that, the Lama didn't do that, it's what that was.
Lama tuyo tuga tu dula, jeris pep, jeris dula, Lama jeris Lama tuyo dula.
So we visualize the Lama, the embodiment of all refuges in front of us, and from the heart of the Lama emanates Avalokiteshvara. It can be in the 1,000 arm or 4-arm form. And then with Avalokiteshvara there in front of us, we then make a request to Avalokiteshvara, beseeching Avalokiteshvara to bless our practice, to bless us to be able to equalize self and other.
Oh yeah. That then Tashinyamadi, Kamani Guna, Nitishia Sawa. I want to show. That the Gomsa. That Genesis Gomsarawa, that Susuki Dula, Susura Dula, Susuki Dula, Dora to get Simchi Chichawariba, Tamji Yogachi Sam.
And then in front of you, visualize all the sentient beings of the 6 realms without excluding any.
Chichawariba, Tamji Sam. Kedi Susun Bizilla, Susula, Nokushi, the Tamba, Susu Jakab, Neoba Chaba, the Dicho, Yoga Yinaya, Chanju Sem Gobe Kapla, Ninch Chamo Goa Yensa, Kosu Sama Duria, never to be correct.
No one is excluded here, even if it's somebody who's caused you incredible harm in your life or someone who's brutalized your country. Nevertheless, here when we're meditating on compassion, everyone is included. Imagine that everyone is there around us.
Oh yeah. All the doors in Sinjela and Big Man, Tashin Yapa, Kamani Conclusions.
So with that as one's focal object, now for 2 minutes, let's meditate on equalizing self and other.
쉐 내내는 양결 수요다 다다 말아서 냠도 쉐 다시 냠고 공부하라 당원에 자주 무슨 공부하고 얘기해나 수수 강배 나와 당부 다시 냠바디 쉐 양의 양도 공부하다 다시 냠바디 야고 공부하는 수고 인지 좀 깨야 쉬부지 팽그래 다시 냠바디 마음나다 인지 좀 가고 싶다 가서 제성 인지 좀 깨기를 봐도 쌤비 등내 원래 다음에게 냠용 예배 인지 좀 양다밖에 하고 싶다
And so that's the equalizing self and other. And so here we're all doing it together, but really to meditate on bodhicitta, this is something you're going to do in your own home. And at that point, you come back to this point again and again. You come back to equalizing self and other. That's what's going to give you the basis for everything else. That if you do this well, if you accomplish this equalizing self and other, that will be the basis for developing great compassion. Without it, then whatever compassion you have is just a kind of verbal compassion, but to really have compassion from the depths of your heart, that comes out of your experience, you need to have this equalizing self and other.
Oh yeah. 다들 니바 사진 니바 랑 진지스네 다 진지스네 지바리 랑 진지기 게 사라세 랑 진지기 사라바라 담보 랑 진지기 가리에 모심으로 와. 랑 진지 쉐바디 시크로 가다 때나 제바세야디 삽삽 제바다. 개정 세바디 와. 그러와 때나 아메기 부불라 제보체라나 아메기랑기 부불라 하장기 개정부 세야디. 아메기 부불이야 개정 된제진 삽삽 내내제 나오게 해야 되라 제보스 제가 랑 진진 수를 체크로 때문에나 랑라 개정도 나와 세주고도 제가 된다 보면 이 말에 랑 진진 이렇게 삼셰데 랑 진진데 대말 기타 먼저 뭐로 수수수수로 개정부터 수수수로 약부다 수수수 약부소 수수상 게만 지기라도 약부소이라 뭐로 봐 이게 랑기랑라 가와다 개정부터 약부이만 따와 점 다다랑 진진기 그 상무셰베랑 진진의 말이스.
So the second point is thinking about the fault of self-cherishing. To do that, we need to identify what is self-cherishing. If we just look at the word here, it's self-cherishing. The term cherishing means to care for, to look out for, to feel that our self is most important. So for instance, we use the word to talk about how a mother cherishes her child, that she looks after her child, that she thinks her child is so important. But in fact, that's not what self-cherishing means. So even though that's what's suggested by the word, that's not those are all good things. You should like yourself. You should take care of yourself. The desire to attain awakening is a form of taking care of yourself and of cherishing yourself. So just liking yourself isn't what we mean here by this technical term, self-cherishing.
대화도 동네라나야 미치기 대화도 돼. 심지 시기 대화도 되라도 심지 장내기 대화도 장내로. 제가 무의미술라 랑 미치기 대도다 심지 장내기 대도 장내바디 장내도 통해 계시셔야 되나야 먼저셔서 이 되게 스카리 개체를 라나 당연히 성당 생에나 미치기 되도래 심지 함지기 되도록 개체로 와. 이 무의미술의 개체와 이바가 수수성으로와 랑기 되도디 랑세야디 심지 셰의 개체와 랑기 대화동에데 심지 셰의 대화동에데 장 대대인자 샘진신 대화 전화라 동네 전화라 개발 가야매 시 남매 생매다 시 남매 생매라 샤네 셰레장 랑디 개척을했다 세냐네 랑기 대화 동네 장양기 아니 사모다네 랑라 개척부터 그러죠 제가 랑라 개척부터 못해는 이 도와 다들 셰라 남매 생매다 개척부터 그러고 지난 그 랑 개척부터 하되 셰라 남매 땅으로 와 소소의 대화 그 코에 거래 랑 누구요 지난 이게 다다 랑 진지기 교육이 랑 진지데 랑시 니수 이와 체네 셰기 셰스비 탐지기 되도 셰기 되도래 랑기 되도 개척을 했으네 아니 랑라 개척부터 성공해 랑 진지
So in this context, when we talk about the fault of self-cherishing, the self-cherishing here is as follows. When we say self, that's one person. When we say others, that's an infinite number of beings. So just talking in reality here, there's far more, infinitely more other beings that are just us. So we're vastly outnumbered by all the other beings. And yet, our attitude is the other way around, where we think that of all those infinite other beings, our own needs are more important. And so that we discard others, thinking, they can work it out. Whatever happens to them happens. I'm going to focus on me. That attitude, which is setting others aside and just concentrating on yourself, is what we mean by self-cherishing. So we can therefore distinguish two senses of the term. One is, we're just talking about here, that discarding others, setting others aside and thinking that one's own happiness and suffering are far more important, which is the relevant one. And then there's just the idea of thinking that you're important, which is nothing wrong with that since you are important. So the key here is this attitude that discards other and thinks that you're the most important of all.
어디 딘디기 라틴진 이 셰마체네 어디 디기 교회다고래라고다. 다 디기 교회다만 대라 준준나라야 직대동을 지기바 대규 다때 되래 좀 망도 셰가 지시고 지와랑이 된제다. 지와 수수께 오데 각도 이나야 라틴진이 삼배통네 Ramde Kyang Drunde Digyore. Ramde Kyang Drunde Digyore, Shende Pasha Ramde Yantuyo Mares. Shea Junjure, Yig Ramde Chedebe, Gewan Trame Digyurka, Neva Cheku Tetabu, Kugi Tuman Bashitus. Tapa Pe, Nima Tapa, Narangi Tata Sene, Chivosuki would look Tapa Tisanta Morris. Yig Ramde Chedebes, Ramde Turkey Sabe, Ramzi Sabe Toane, Ramdi Kata Kaka Dugores. Tipe Nimachi, Dundra, Dawa, Lo, Mizukora Tene, Kewa, Ramzi Yamin Chizuyores, Yinaya, Karala, Ramki Digi Moma to Topsones, Ramki David Dunel Mema Sotusone, Ramki Digi one Topsone Chidin, Yomatea. Chesaka, Yigu Ramde Chedebe, Kewa Chamde Degurka, Niela Chembe, Skali Gambia Samre Mato Chigi, Kata, Ramde Tutu Duzata, Niela Chembe Tetabus, Tabu Degano Susu, Dunga Terra, Ranzi Yumono Son, Dunga Rares, Kugi Dumar Bashitu Sua. Just a delay by the Sava, Ranzi Singing did that pattern, Naza Tushu, Senki Naza. Today by the Ranzi
And so here what we're talking about is that kind of self, and now recognizing that specific sense of self-cherishing, we're looking at the fault of that kind of self-cherishing. And so it's as it said by Shantideva in the Bodhicharya Avagara, where we ordinary childish beings have always been following our self-cherishing. We've done nothing but cherish ourselves. Not just for a day or a year, but for our life and for lifetimes. And lifetime after lifetime, we've done nothing but cherish ourselves. privilege our own, seeking just our own happiness. And we have to ask ourselves, have we gotten anywhere with that? Have we attained some kind of happiness through this self-cherishing? And the verse goes on to say that, no, all we've ended up with is a heap of suffering.
Oh yeah, teacher. But then, Ramachandra gave more going to social something on the Kizishena, Nara, Pedro Javati, Tidu Udua. Tangonia, Susulia, Semji, Yobati, Seudua. Stem Dikane, na Savati, Hapua. And na some of the Mateo, Matu, say somebody, Lindua. But they didn't live a someone to bridge the watcher. And live a good tella. And Michi Girala, never can Lamsam Homosatua. Michi Girala, and it's Pamaduna, Lamsam Galutua. Chela Michi Girala never gave you Lamsam, Maho Karting Chile. Maho Chile, meeting young number to Jackating to Gore. Not a middle get to Jackating Shigore. Sometimes. Social mission that you not to to go mare, never can to go mare. Yeah, I shall never can to go over the Dilla social share of social catch out. That's all. Shake it out, never can do the Loria. Ramki share never can do the worship. But this is Ramsa, the seven money. Chesa did to the half we use our Kasa, Juju. Mutual Cheta, thereby, Geshepa, Chuan, Yibide, Segene, Sherape, Datum, so stand changing the Santana, Ramaya, Tambunyela, Mausa, Logic, Hikala, Ranki Simte, Mausa, Shawati. The day Chikapa, Tesapara, Chizimare, but in Shugura, Yibide, Segene, Suzuki said, Monkey or Yoyaki, gained of Mishadaki check. Mishadaki, the Chiyong, and it's good. I never get so down. Digma said, I do Shine, not the Tachamu to Shadua. And not the Tachamu to Shadu, did you not the cookie never gave her down the dirty? Susu said the truth. Yimi devas, I immediately chat. Yimi devas say again there. I didn't run send the truth. Send the truth to Kachaku, Lamsa, Congo like Congo Shuchu to do. I didn't know you to get a doja share, the neighbor to Bakaya, the name Jachi, Soldier, Majimalema, Royal, Zin, Tamata, the name Udua. The name of the Tava, Yangashu, Gomkedu, Ram, Semki walk to songs. Semki Nala. Ram Chinzi Kayonde, same day, Ram Chinzi you want to songs. Same day, Ram Chinzi you want to song yonde, same troops, Yimideva chats. Yimideva chayonde, the way can you chile, Yimideva chayonde, and Shadam Kea, and Pendo Chile, the Shakea, Chabam K. Chabam the Kesa Shugula, and Lega Tuja, Soldier Wallace, they give a Chayonde, Soso Inaya, Visidelia.
So, if we look at it, we can look at our own experience to identify this self-cherishing. We start just by the fact that we have consciousness. That's obvious enough. We can see that we have a mind. And then we can see that we have the thought of me, me, me. I need this, I need that. That's not yet self-cherishing. Then we can think about how if someone comes and disturbs us, if someone insults us, then immediately our reaction is that we get angry that they've been aggressive towards us. And at that point, if we look, we see how the I, ourself, seems incredibly inflated and important. That's the point where we talk about self-cherishing. And you can really see this when you look at the difference when you flip it in the other direction. It's sort of okay when we end up harming others, but it's absolutely intolerable that when others harm us. So there's this kind of discrepancy here. What explains that discrepancy? How it's so unfair when someone harms us, is because we have this self-cherishing attitude. And so the process, psychological process here, is that we start by we are conscious beings, and we have a mind, and that having a mind involves, for us, having a sense of the I. And then when we go from that to this self-cherishing attitude, then when we encounter adverse circumstances, we get upset, we get confused, and out of that comes hatred and anger. When someone does something we don't like, we hate them. When they do something that we like, then we adore them. And then out of that comes all of our other non-virtuous actions and all the various karma we accumulate throughout our life. So that was the first fault of self-cherishing. Now for the second, and here we're talking in reality here. You can check this. This is something you need to investigate for yourselves, whether this is the case. Think about just your standard family. Maybe there's a grandma, parents. Let's say a family of 5 people. If one person has self-cherishing, then if there's food, they get the choice dish. If there's drinks, they are first to get the drinks. If there's multiple rooms, they choose the best room. We saw this particularly obviously during the pandemic, where if there was one medicine to go around, the person with self-cherishing was the first to reach out and grab it. So that you can see how that self-cherishing attitude disrupts family life, but it also disrupts at a national level. It disrupts at a global level. If you look at even something like the Second World War, at the bottom it came down to nothing other than self-cherishing. And so the third is, in a way, the worst of all, which is to through self-cherishing, we become under the power, we're completely controlled by attachment and hatred, and through that, we're led into lower rebirths and all the suffering of lower rebirths. And then the fourth fault of self-cherishing is that it keeps us from attaining awakening, even if we're a Shravaka, a particular Buddha practitioner. It inhibits us from being able to become a Buddha. Even for a Shravaka practitioner who has a direct, immediate experience of emptiness, they still can't attain awakening because of self-cherishing. So we think about these faults now, and then we're going to meditate for a few moments, and as I've laid them out in 4 or 5, however you enumerated the faults, just think of those sequentially. I'm not leading you through this one. You meditate. with our 5-foot outline. That was the second one, just thinking about the faults of self-cherishing. Now we're moving on to the third, which is the benefits of cherishing others.
단 신진진 기회에 삼셰의 신진진에 간디지가 생겨래 라나 단기 랑진진 세스와 디기 카테 딱딱에 신진진.
So when we talk about self-cherishing, we ask, when we ask about cherishing others, we ask, what is that? Remember we were just talking about self-cherishing? It's the exact opposite. The self-cherishing is the opposite attitude.
이 신진진 생인이 가르쳐가나 자기 랑진진들이 신삼만 남의 증명 샤네 말하기 뒤도 계집을 해 말 계집을 이거 따서봐. 다 신진진들이 같이 오래 이치나고 나 계집을 말해서 나 하려는 미치기 나의 배웠던 미치기 배웠던 거래. 신수도 잡아 심지어 타매고 장매고 요래. 뒤 배웠던 애 장매고 요래. 이대이마 인자 심지어 신 장매배 배웠던 애가 때가 이나 나라 미치기 배웠던 애들이 계집을 하면 두스. 이대이마 인자 네 뒤도 내자 심지어 신기 뒤도디 계집을 해샤 세. 신 심지어 남 랑레자 계체와 따외 쌍부시도와 오딜라 신진진.
So just as self-cherishing is discarding others and just focusing on yourself and your own purpose, here it's the converse of that, where just looking out at the fact that there are an infinite number of sentient beings and there's only one of me, obviously they're more, the needs, the happiness of all beings is more important than the happiness of just one person. It's more important than just my own needs, my own happiness.
today 도도 신진진 수도 랑신이래 랑레자 신 계셔왔다로.
So in short, cherishing others is that between self and other, it's seeing others as more important.
대체 다른 세고 쉬우쉬우다 사실이 돌아오는 경우도 다 신진진 세에 다다 대체 신진진이 나올라 아니 가르가르 요래 나나 당민이 요래 랑레 신 계체와 따외 보내 라고다 랑레 신 계체와 따외 보내 셴 때가 미친 사베 사무스도와 대야 신진진 랑레 신 계체와 따외 보내 예셰라 페마치기 사베 사무스도와 대야 신진진.
Here's something that needs to be clarified, that if you have this attitude that thinking that you're more important than anyone else, resolve to not harm others, or thinking that you're more important than anyone else and resolving to benefit others, those are both still self-cherishing.
그래서 딱 야구노르냐 랑레 신 계체와 따외 보내 아니 셰라 아니 눈빛이요 말에 대화적으로의 사무스도와 이 달의 양격다 랑레 신 계체와 따로 거네 셰라 내 지금이 사무스도와 오텔라 사마사 아힘사 세 등반디 직들이.
And so understanding this point that if you this attitude, here in general, we talk about not harming others. This is what we mean of the attitude of non-harm or ahimsa. But here, if it's coming out of this attitude that oneself is more important than others, then it becomes self-cherishing.
ahimsa. Okay. 난 이시고 랑레 신 계체와 따로 거네 셴라 페버적으로 사면 성공돼야 신진지. 딱 뒤나로가 미유라고. 즉 보셨어요. 랑의 신 계체와 따라 거네 셴라 페버체의 성공. 셴라 페버체의 성공. 펜신 뒤가 뒤 신진지를
So just as we were talking about, when you think about that others are more important than yourself, and you have an attitude of not harming, that's what we mean by ahimsa or non-violence. And likewise, when you think that others are more important than yourself and you resolve to benefit them, so that, again, this mind to benefit others, we consider as two types. You can come out of thinking that you're more important than others, or you can come out of thinking that others are more important than yourself.
Oh, yeah.
So within, we talk about cherishing others, that within that attitude of thinking that others are more important than yourself, the desire to want them to be free of suffering is what we're calling compassion. And the desire for them to have happiness is what we mean by love. So both of those attitudes of love and compassion are forms of cherishing others.
Oh, love and compassion said, what the changing moment did love and compassion? Share ya, and Tumele say, Ninja, share the one who go to Pemachebe, Chabani Dua. The day Chabani put the share said, share Michilo, Nilo, Sulo, Kazam Shu, Sinja Tamjala Bine, Dumele Tebu, Sabe, Logikiro. All the Ninja Mase, Ninja Chamu said, Tada, Shella, and Devotable when a pepper chicken and the Samujoa, Chapa, Love Sejoa, the Michilo, Nilo, those Jene, Simjan Hamjala Big Ne, Devata Tendu Yulo, Joma, those gay on the Chapa Chapos. The day is a Sanskrit Nava, Maha Karuna, Maha Metriya Sivon, Dignity, changing the Chishu. Kesoy, changing this egg, not a Makutua, Sachi, Chabacho, Ninjishu, said this.
So there are many different ways and attitudes of cherishing others. The most important are love and compassion. So that we've said that within this attitude of cherishing others, the desire to free them from suffering is called compassion. Now, if we expand that out from not just one person to 2, 3, all the way out to all sentient beings, at that point, when we have an uncontrived attitude desiring to free all sentient beings from suffering, that's what we call great compassion, or Mahakaruna. And likewise with love, that the attitude for others to have benefit and happiness is what we mean by love. And we expand that out, first from 1, 2, 3, expanding out. At the point at which that attitude, with uncontrived attitude, wishing to benefit, wishing to bring happiness and benefit to all sentient beings, that's what we call great love or Mahamaitri.
Oh yeah. That's changing this head, Sebuchafoma, Tari, changing the Makudoa. Tender changing the Zogi, Yunde Sama, say, that's such a Kata, Super Dirwa, changing the Yunde Sama teaching. That's changing the Yunde Sama Tela. Junjuna Karisona, Jigen Deva, Jingiba, Tegu, Shedder, Jones, Mount the Sheba, Jishiko, Tubashi, Tenzeba, Kersuchi, Tusungi, Sanki, Sanki Shajatuba, Tusungi, Sanki, said, Kandis, Chare, Gimme Gamer, Denishua, Baru, Tentu Samba, Changju Sen, Gobli Chakoro, Changju Sen singing the Kandis Gale. 이 사와 닝지르도 닝지 정보 publicero 닝지 정보 쓰기도 가르래 셰진진 치슈쿠스 딜라데 상게야데 셰진진 왔다는 상게도 셰진진 내가 상게 레와 부도와 디자 셰진진 쓰기인데 페요 가르여라나 마타인데 또가 샤캬 토바기 쳔베 뒤수는 상게도 상마 셰진진 This of the Sutra, Juju Dala. That Dippela Kine, and 모놈 되도 수부도와 짜증 대단히 얘기 겨워요. 그래도 파바체리 자베고 주진 자베야 파바체리시 아니 대단히 자주 사고 고도 사고 대단히 다배 제가 소 주진 줘봐 대지기 자주 써봐 대지기 나마 도저 시작하잖아 대지기 나마 저기 자주 써봐 주고 간지스 차 시행진들 공대 차래 대대이가 인자 시행진들이 연대 상을 따용도 뒤수기 상계다 뒤수기 자주 써봐 주고 되다 아니 배 시행진들은 때는 중사 배운 친구를 상을 따야 돼 직접 시행진들이 연대 상방세야 돼 주주체가 주고 배 직접
stage in the meditation for this third step, we're thinking about the benefits of this attitude of cherishing others. And so as it says in the Bodhicharya Avadana, that all the happiness in the world comes out of cherishing others. Here, the Buddhas of all the three times, all of them arose out of the attitude of cherishing others. So when we ask, where did the Buddhas come from? Being a Buddha doesn't happen causelessly, without reason. It comes out of the practice of bodhicitta. Where does bodhicitta come from? Its root is great compassion. And what is great compassion other than cherishing others? So we can see that the Buddhas of the three times have all come out of this attitude of cherishing others. Likewise, as it says in the prayer where it says, just as Manjushri and Samantabhadra have done, this is referring to the 8 great bodhisattvas, according to the sutra explanation. And when we ask the same question, where did the 8 great bodhisattvas, like Manjushri, Samantabhadra, Avalokiteshvara, and so forth, where did they come from? They came from cherishing others. They rose out of that attitude.
Oh yeah. 나도 뒤뒤도 저도 그것으로 대인자 내라 다다 시행진진기 연대 망부여 다른 주주 당신 전에 시행연대 직비 뒤수비 상계의 장주세바도 시행진들 때문에 용샤 표현 청을 해서 뒤직 공격 샤 상이 아니 쇼에 맞아 좀도 야 시행진들 연대되는 마 사진 이번에 안쳐줄 생계래 두스와 두시는
So we're running short of time, so for now, just bear what we've said thus far in mind. That what I've explained are the benefits of cherishing others as it is explained in the Bodhicharya Avadana, and we'll reflect on that, and then tomorrow we'll pick up again the same step in the meditation process with 2 additional points, and then we'll do the Bodhisattva.
Yeah,
so just one moment.
시행진진기 표현을 했다. 다들 주주 당신제 뒤수기 상계다. 뒤수기 전주세와 뒤수기 배 고속도로 위에 생제가 배가 치고 뒤 용해한데 가지 정도로서 시행진들 때는 중샤 시행진들 하려면 상관지 연대다.
Reflecting as it is taught in the Bodhicharya, just thinking about how the Buddhas of the 3 times and all the Bodhisattvas have come, where they are, what produced them, what created them, is this attitude of cherishing others and just thinking how beneficial and how amazing it is to cherish others. So I'm just going to briefly summarize what I've said thus far today so that you don't forget it.
다만 또 다른 쇼에 차수 주변이야 주변에 와 이 당보 얘기 계란 주변이야 가르치면 있습니다. 어떤 조조들이 아니 강의 도중에서 또 마음이 싫다 비주는 이제 뭐 고담대가 차스로 대단 제네 아니 되버서기 좀 된 얘기 아니 최 사자가와 가와라 최 아니 너다 막 최게 가지고 돈을 수이 봐 비고지 시험에 방법이
So first of all, this morning, starting at 10, we began. I was using a verse of Nagarjuna where he prostrates to the Buddha, to the teachings of the Buddha, and through that I digressed to explain about the context of when the Buddha taught both the Sutra and the Tantras.
되네 상계기 취를 숨바데 아니 별로 가는 다르에서 아니 별로 다다 겨우송서 보면에 막 겨우한테 겨우 봐봐 다단다 아니 되네 님마가 일상의 기로도 집에 취해서 같이 이봐 되게 상망자 지금 지금 인사 주로 예제 비제봐 비교는 dengi 취 상계기 취 차상라 대박배가 지역으로 이슈가 이바지
And the second was talking about the spread of Buddhism in Tibet, all from beginning from the time of Chisung Denten all the way up to present Songtsen Gampo, all the way up to the 14th Dalai Lama. And I distinguished the four traditions of Tibetan Buddhism and emphasized the importance of not having a sectarian attitude, that they're all of equal value and they all must be respected equally.
다음에 상계기 취에 남도의 김부수 누가 이바이나 대바시기 나도 그래스 대바시기라 모주 두네 시발 두네 니네 두고가 된 거지 라레기 돈에 두네 시발 자꾸주 뭐저 보로만 남고 버차세 대나라 상계기 취에서 대시기 그래스 대시기 나네 아니 수수기 타버터야 상계기 도로터에 저 공개 소디 람데리스 람데스인데 또또 라바스이 양내레스 라바스 세데 디베체 비셔서 겨우서 소버제시 주진 라바다 장기 샘도 용수도 유시에 띵인세가 실행이 라바스들레스 단디 특징이 이렇게 추구질 수있다 제가 맞아봤죠 대시 특징이 직제 람데기 도돌라 디베체 비셔서 겨우서 소버제 장기 샘 비드사기 때문에 띵인이 남추 이뻐라고
And so then I tried to show the real pith of the Buddhist teachings, which is the Four Noble Truths, which is the truth of suffering, origin, cessation, and path. And then when we put that in terms of actual practice, it's to recognize suffering, get rid of its cause or the origin, actualize cessation, and meditate on the path. And then I showed how when we speak of meditating on the path, this can be distilled into the three trainings, the trainings of ethics, concentration, and wisdom, which are encapsulated in the verse which says, accumulate no negative actions, do no negative actions, accumulate virtue, and train your mind, where if we line this up with the three trainings, then the first two lines are the trainings in ethics, and then the line where it says, train your own mind, the first to the latter two of the three trainings, the training in concentration and wisdom.
So, da tenzhen shi tiche, ngaba tela, da lam gobar cha shebe lam tela gebar che yungde, ane nye tengi lam, rangi lam, tiji lam tela, dola nagi lam tela yores. A tiji dola, so tensa de shiragi kalu chebe 도 용기를 뒤수 쉐링이 보는 되기래스 디테야 남들라 아니 자주 쌤다 동리니 요래스 디자가 자주 쌤이 최대 다른 것도 쉐야 소래 라네 디네 자주 쌤다 파트
And so I elaborated on what it means to meditate on the path. Then I distinguished between the Shravaka path, the Pratyeka Buddha path, and the Mahayana path. And then within the Mahayana path, we distinguish the Sutra and the Tantra. And then within the Sutra, the primary source of these teachings are the Prajnaparamita sutras, of which we have the extensive, the middling, and the short. And when we look at the content of these teachings, what they teach bodhicitta and emptiness. And our topic for today has begun from there with bodhicitta.
다 장주 셈 되라 공당 되라 아니 주전 상계니 주전 장바도마 교회 명한테 상계니 주전 장배 유배 다신념지 이체 다 다른 만서 다신념지 우리 장주 셈 고면이 라네 되는 말도아래
And then within the practice of bodhicitta, there are these two forms of practice, two lineages of practice. There's the sevenfold cause and effect, which comes down to us from Maitreya. And then there's the equalizing and exchanging self and other, which comes to us from the lineage of Manjushri, and we've been in the latter.
어디체 단때문에 되는 타마디 가래라나 다시 nhập 장주스 보면라 니가 배우고는 양보요를 하면서 장주스기 배우 너다 대주 라면 내가 숨기 톤에 장주스기 배우 어쩌다 공격 디슈라 다시 nhập 어쩌다 공격 얘네 다시 랑징징기 교사바디 모두도 공격 신진진기 교사바디 연대 사바디 모두 되어지나 공되어지게 하는 스티마도
And then I started this off by emphasizing just that we should start by reflecting on the benefits of bodhicitta, that this was a helpful way of beginning. And then we started in with the 5 steps of meditating on bodhicitta, with the equalizing self and other, explaining that, meditating on that, and then the identifying self-cherishing, thinking about the fault of self-cherishing, and then moving to the benefits of cherishing others.
다른 셰 텐션 뒤로 그래도 아니 상맥이 시작하고 도남 치부제제 예송스 상마래야 도시제 세르슈에니.
So it appears I've covered 7 topics today, and you've all listened to it so carefully, so thank you for that.
아무리 저는 말한 네바체 아니 저기 미파야 되고요래 저런 네바를 이거 미파 되고요. 얘네 다른데 자기만이 자기 뼈 마시야고 나샤 아니 사운드 시스템도 뼈 마시야고도 아시다 칼에 카베도 다다시에서 주주시에서 살아서 상마도 제시에
I want to thank the organizers, because in general I don't have the best of health, particularly I have trouble with my voice, with my throat, but today with this great sound system and all the preparation and thoughtful help, it hasn't been hard on me at all. In fact, I think I could teach for another hour if I needed to.
아이나야 기기기 간에 잡아주고 들고 말아 기준 들어라야 저기 가수래 간에 잡주고 그래 이래 인사 랑종 표현이 랑종 세고 나다리지 공개나 라바데 상기 인지 민지 쇼레야 마상라 추주지 스틱트스다 믹스지르다 추주지 트스다 남규란게 메네 우주게 라라 이 조도는 이 조도 고마 간다 추주지 스틱 녜다리 카 공개나 라바데 직 공로지다 아디제는 제바지 마셔야 제르도 방부식으로 와.
So it's not okay for the teacher to do all the work. So you have homework for tomorrow. So tomorrow morning, you get up early and you do 1 hour of meditation from what I've said. Even if you're not someone who usually gets up early, just for tomorrow, you get up early. Even if you're full of sleep, you just push through it and spend an hour going through roots and practicing what I taught. Otherwise, you'll forget it because it's total waste.
Almost to China, okay, prayer. John the Bible, Chindra the Bible, those on both the Andish, the Bible, Jesus, Yawa the Latam, the Fushi, Yawatam, Tashi, Give, Kawati, Samu, Jesus, all that to China, the Sangin Temple Magia, Tata, Medota, and the Susu, Chawa, Sum, place.
Also, Metal Prakis, Metal Kaina, do you best?
Metal Chona,
tomorrow to bring the scarf and the flowers. It can be any flower, but white is nice. And to bring a rosary. And the point is to be clean. Don't bring some, dish rag or kata.
알았어, 그렇지. 아니 저거 제 상님
Rambo che chi cha tong su